What's up, YouTube? This is Cameraman514, and I'm doing my PC build overview for my upcoming video editing / gaming PC. I think this is a pretty epic build for a micro ATX, even just a regular sized computer. So let's get started. I'll get started right to left. To start, I have 3 Vertex 4 SSDs. I have one 128 gigabyte and two 256 gigabyte. These are the best SSDs out at the time that I'm filming this right now. And this is going to be, the 128 is going to be my boot drive for my softwares. And I'm installing Windows 7 Home Premium on this computer. Even though Windows 8 already came out, I'm picking Windows 7 because Windows 8 is brand new and does not support everything yet. For my cooler, I picked the Corsair H100 liquid CPU cooler. And what's unique about this is even though it's a liquid CPU cooler, you don't need to do maintenance on it. Behind that is a Dremel 7700. I'm using this and a power drill, which I don't have right now, to modify the bracket that holds two 120 millimeter fans in my case in order to fit the Corsair H100 radiator on it. Next to that, I have my video or graphics card. It's the GeForce GTX 660 Superclocked Edition from EVGA. This holds 2 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, PCI Express 3.0, and it is two-way SLI ready. Above that, I just got a simple Roswell wireless USB 2.0 adapter, so I have Wi-Fi. And then I have a Intel Core i7 processor. This is the i7 3820 LGA 2011 socket. I believe this is a quad core, but don't quote me on that. For my power supply, I got the Enermax Platimax 1000 watt power supply. This is an 80 plus platinum, and this is the super overclocked edition. For my optical drive, I got the Asus BCB1ST. This is a Blu-ray combo drive, which means not only will it play, but also burn Blu-rays and CDs and just regular DVDs. It comes with the quick install guide and firmware update. For my memory, I got the Corsair Vengeance 32 gigabyte memory. This is compatible with the motherboard I got, and it also maxes out my motherboard so I could get really fast rendering. For my motherboard, I got the Rampage 4 Gene. It's a micro ATX motherboard. Here it is. And this is just a beast of a motherboard. It looks nice, it performs well, and it's just what you would expect from Republic of Gamers and Asus. These 2 fans that I got are Cougar Vortex PWM CFV12 HPB fans, and these are to replace the 2 Corsair fans that come on the Corsair H100 radiator. And these are hydrodynamic bearing and extremely silent fans. For my micro ATX case, I got the Silverstone Sugo Series SG04FH. This is a very, very nice case. It's steel and aluminum, and it has a big handle on top, which is very sturdy, and you can actually remove this handle. In front, there is one optical drive, and if you fold this open, you get your reset button, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HD sound, HD audio port with a mic port, and I believe it's 3.5 or 3.25 knockout that you could put a card reader or a fan controller on. And here's the power button and LED. And inside here, if any of you are wondering, there is a max 10.5 inch distance that you could fit a graphics card in. And this was my epic PC overview. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.